All right, in this question you're asked to, whoops, can't see the question. There. In this question you're asked to rationalize the denominator. So to do that, what you need to do is multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of the denominator is the same thing that's there, 5 root 6 and root 5, but instead of a minus, you change the sign to a plus. And we do that so that things will cancel out on the bottom according to difference of squares. I'll show you that in a sec. If I multiply the bottom by that, I have to multiply the top by the exact same thing. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply all those together. So this times this and this times that one. So it'll be 25 root 6 plus 5 root 5. Yep, over on the bottom. Is that right? I think that's right. And then on the bottom we'll do the same thing. So this times this is 25 root 36. This times this would be plus 5 root 30. And this one would be minus 5 root 30. And then this times this will be a minus root 25. So on the top I have 25 root 6 plus 5 root 5. On the bottom, these two cancel. 25 times the square root of 36, which is 6. 25 times 6 is 150. And minus root 25 is just 5. There. So on the bottom now, let me just rewrite the top. 25 root 6 plus 5 root 5. And on the bottom, that'll just be 145. Now, when I look at each of the terms, that term, and this term, it looks like they're all divisible by 5. An easy way for me to sort of cancel those out is just in the top factor out the 5. So if I factor out a 5 out of the top, I'll be left with 5 root 6 plus 1. Oh, root 5. Forgot the root 5. All over. On the bottom, 145 is 5 times 29, I think. Okay, and then these 5s cancel. So in the end, my answer will be 5 root 6 plus 1 root 5 all over 29. Now let me just, when I'm thinking about my answer key, I'm wondering if that was correct. Is this supposed to be a root 5? At any rate, you sort of hopefully get the idea of how that goes. I just remember my answer key. I thought it was just 1 there at the end. So I'm just checking, and I think I did everything right here, but maybe the original question was a little funny. All right, hopefully that helps.